Welcome students. In our last video we discussed the 14th chapter, that is the earth, our homeland, and we have discussed about the planet earth. Earth is a planet we discussed, and here life exists, and why the life exists here in this earth, because water and air is available only in this earth. Then we have discussed landforms, that means the land where we live, and various types of lands we discussed, that are plain. Plain means it is the flat area where most of the people live. And why most of the people live on plains? Because the land, flat land, is suitable for construction of houses, buildings, and for roads also. Then people can grow crops also. Then water also available nearby the people, that means the rivers, ponds, lakes, all the things are available just near the plains. But if we go to the hills, there we do not find ponds or lakes. Rivers are also not there. So that is why most people live on land, that means on plain. After that we discussed plateau land. Plateau land is also called tableland. Why it is called tableland? Because it is the raised land, that means plain land. Near the plain land some portion is up, that means raised, and after that again it is flat at the top, and again it is going down. So that is why it is called tableland. It is like a table, that is why it is called tableland. And after that we have discussed hills. What is hill? Hill is the higher land, that means it is higher than plain and plateau land, and it is the raised land going up. It is called hill. And hills are very cold also, hills area. After that we have discussed mountain. What is mountain? It is more higher than plateau and hills. So it has a peak also. It is called the peak. So mountain has peak also, and it is covered with snow, barf. So it is covered with snow, and many mountains together, it is called a range, mountain range. And in India, the famous mountain range is Himalayas. So Himalaya has a large number of mountain ranges. Then we have discussed valley. What is valley? So valley is a part of land which is like V-shaped or U-shaped, and this area we find just below the hills or mountains. The small part where we find the land is flat or it is sloping, that area, and from where the river starts, so that place is called valley. So up to this much we have discussed. Now today we will discuss about the water bodies. And water bodies means the portion of the earth where we find the water, that is the water bodies. The water bodies, we find ponds. In the ponds also we find the water, lakes, rivers, oceans, seas. These are the water bodies. That means the part of the earth which is covered with water is called water bodies. Now what is pond? Pond has land around it on all sides. हम लोग क्या देखते हैं, जहाँ पे पानी है और उसके चारों तरफ लैंड है, मिट्टी है, उसी को बोलते हैं पॉन्ड. It is a small water body, so it is not that much big. It is a small water bodies and it is covered by land. That means all the sides are covered by land, and we mostly find this water body, that means the pond, we find mostly in villages and outside the cities. हमारे सिटी के बाहर और विलेज में हम लोग को ये पॉन्ड देखने को मिलता है. नेक्स्ट लेक. लेक क्या है? सो लेक, इट इज ऑल्सो लाइक ए पॉन्ड ओनली. Is also a water body which with land around it. So it is also like a pond only, and it is also covered all the sides by land only, but it is bigger and deeper than a pond. That means the depth of the water is more here and it is bigger in size. ये साइज में भी बड़ा होता है और डीप भी होता है, तो इसको बोलते हैं लेक. नाउ व्हाट इज रिवर? रिवर इज ऑल्सो ए वाटर बॉडी. तो रिवर इज लार्जर देन ए लेक. रिवर होता है लेक से बड़ा. अनलाइक इन द केस ऑफ ए पॉन्ड और ए लेक, water in a river flows from one place to another on the land. तो ये जो रिवर है ये क्या है? पॉन्ड और लेक से बड़ा होता है, और इसका जो पानी है एक जगह में वो जमा नहीं होता है. इट कंटिन्यूज टू फ्लो. कंटिन्यू, ये एक जगह से दूसरी जगह कंटिन्यू जाता रहता है. इसी को बोलते हैं रिवर. रिवर के बाद आता है sea. So most of you have seen sea. If we go to West Bengal or Chennai also, we can see the seas. So sea is a very large water body that is often partially enclosed by land. So it is a large water body. बहुत बड़ा एरिया लेके उसमें पानी रहता है, और sometimes we see that land is also there near the water. जहाँ पे हम लोग जाके खड़ा होके हम लोग देखते हैं समुंदर. So sea means समुंदर. The water is, it contains is salty. तो sea का जो पानी होता है वो salty होता है, वो नमक रहता है उसमें. So that is why the water is salty. और वो हम लोग यूज़ नहीं कर सकते नहाने के लिए, कपड़ा धोने के लिए, और भी बहुत सारा काम करने के लिए. तो वो पानी हम लोग अपना डेली लाइफ में यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. सो वो ड्रिंकिंग भी नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि उसमें नमक रहता है. मोस्टली ए सी इज़ कनेक्टेड टू एन ओशन. तो सी क्या है? वो लार्ज वाटर बॉडी है, बट उससे भी बड़ा होता है ओशन, सी से काफ़ी बड़ा। तो सी का जो पानी होता है वो कभी कभी ओशन से भी जाके मिल जाता है। ओके, इट इज कॉल्ड सी। एंड नेक्स्ट, ओशन। सो ओशंस आर द लार्जेस्ट वाटर बॉडीज। तो वाटर बॉडी में सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा जो होता है वो होता है ओशन। ये पॉन्ड्स, लेक्स, रिवर्स, सीज, ये सबसे बड़ा होता है। इट इज़ द लार्जेस्ट वाटर बॉडीज ऑन अर्थ। अर्थ के ऊपर में ये सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा है। दे आर नॉट एनक्लोज्ड बाई लैंड। तो ये जो है ये लैंड से घेरा हुआ नहीं रहता है। इट इज़ ओपन। हम लोग अपना देश से दूसरे देश भी जा सकते हैं। तो ये बहुत ही बड़ा वाटर बॉडीज है। ओशंस ऑल्सो हैव सॉल्टी वाटर। तो सी और ओशन का पानी, दोनों ही पानी क्या है, सॉल्टी है, और दोनों पानी ही हम लोग यूज़ नहीं कर सकते, पी भी नहीं सकते। दे कवर अबाउट 2/3 ऑफ द अर्थ सरफेस। हमारा जो पूरा जो अर्थ है उसका 3 भाग का 2 भाग पानी है। ये जो ओशन है 3 भाग का 2 भाग ये ओशन ही ले लेता है। इसीलिए स्पेस में हम लोग जब बाहर जाते हैं, स्पेस मतलब हमारा अर्थ से बाहर जाते हैं, तो दूर से देखने से वो ब्लू कलर का लगता है। क्यों? क्योंकि पानी ज़्यादा है अर्थ में। करेक्ट? I think all of you have understood all this. We have discussed all here. Water bodies, ponds, lakes also we have discussed, rivers, oceans, seas. So all the water bodies we have discussed what we find on earth. So here we have completed our chapter, and let us recall once what we have learned or discussed here. First, we live on the planet Earth. Then, the presence of air and water on Earth makes life possible on it. So, life is possible only because of air and water which exist on Earth only. Earth is also called the blue planet. That just now I told you, it is also called blue planet. Why? Because water is more here. Plains, plateaus, mountains and valleys are some examples of landforms on the earth. So the landforms are plains, plateaus, hills, mountains, valleys. These are the example of landforms. And water bodies we have discussed just now. So these are the main things what we have learned from this chapter, and here we have completed the chapter. I think all of you have understood. If you have not understood, you watch the videos again and again, read the book, so you will understand better. So let us conclude here now, and the exercises we will do in our next class. Thank you.